Today, we take you inside a modern defense manufacturing facility, where advanced engineering, strict safety, and precision come together to produce critical equipment used around the world. From the very entrance, security and control are clearly visible, reflecting the importance and responsibility involved in this industry. Every hallway and workspace inside the factory is carefully designed to maintain safety, organization, and efficiency throughout the production process. A trained factory professional welcomes us, guiding viewers through each stage of how firearms, ammunition, and protective gear are produced. Today, the journey begins with raw materials, where high-quality metals are stored and prepared under controlled conditions. Each metal batch is inspected and labeled, ensuring only certified materials move forward into production alongside metals. Specialized synthetic fabrics are stored for manufacturing bulletproof protection equipment. Automated systems transport materials smoothly through the facility, minimizing handling risks and improving efficiency. In the machining area, advanced computer-controlled machines operate continuously, shaping metal with remarkable precision. Close-up views reveal how technology allows components to be formed accurately, maintaining consistency across production. Robotic arms carefully handle newly formed parts, reducing human error and increasing production reliability. Skilled technicians inspect each component, confirming that every piece meets strict quality requirements. Image-organized workspaces reflect the factory's commitment to structure and accountability at every stage. In a separate secure area, ammunition-related processes are handled with extra layers of safety and monitoring. Automated inspection systems observe each unit closely, checking for uniformity and STR. Image-finished units are sorted and organized by robotic systems, ensuring smooth flow toward the next phase. Human oversight remains essential, with trained staff monitoring operations from protected observation areas. Meanwhile, bulletproof vest production takes place in a clean and carefully controlled environment. Specialized fabrics are cut with extreme precision to ensure uniform performance across every protective panel. Each fabric layer is handled carefully, as proper alignment is crucial for effective protection. Industrial stitching machines bind layers together, creating strong and durable protective structures. Partially assembled vest panels show the complexity involved in protective gear manufacturing. Completed panels are labeled and organized, ready for inspection and testing. Quality control laboratories play a critical role, where products are examined under advanced testing conditions. Controlled testing environments help evaluate durability and performance without compromising safety. Engineers analyze digital data to ensure each product meets international standards. Final assembly lines bring together all components in a synchronized and carefully managed process. Automated labeling ensures traceability and accountability for every finished item. Visual inspections confirm that products meet appearance and safety requirements before packaging. Protective packaging shields products from damage during transport and storage. Sealed packages move efficiently through the final production area toward storage zones. Clear labeling and tracking systems allow precise inventory management inside high-security warehouses. Finished products are stored under controlled conditions. Forklifts move carefully through wide aisles, maintaining safety and organization. Digital inventory systems help track each item in real time. The loading docks, transport vehicles wait to receive secured shipments. Each crate is loaded with care, following strict logistical procedures. Final security checks ensure that shipments are sealed and documented before departure. Aerial views reveal the scale and organization of the entire facility. As the sun sets, the factory continues to operate, reflecting constant dedication and discipline. Control rooms remain active, with operators monitoring systems and performance indicators. Digital dashboards provide real-time insight into production efficiency and safety. Safety briefings reinforce the importance of responsibility and teamwork among workers. Long production halls highlight the harmony between human expertise and machine precision. Even small mechanical movements reflect careful engineering and planning. Finished protective equipment is handled with care, emphasizing its critical purpose. The factory floor remains calm and controlled. Even during full operation, regular maintenance ensures machines continue to perform at the highest standards. Research and development areas focus on future improvements, and engineers collaborate to refine designs and enhance performance. Glass partitions allow transparency while maintaining safety across departments. Safety signage throughout the facility reinforces strict compliance standards. Workers move confidently through the factory, trained and focused on their roles. Of protective gear remains a constant reminder of safety-first culture. Shift changes occur smoothly, ensuring uninterrupted operations. As production slows, the factory transitions into evening mode. From the outside, the facility stands secure and illuminated. Against the night sky, aerial views slowly pull away, emphasizing scale and responsibility. The guide returns, Proud of the teamwork and precision behind every product, this is how modern factories responsibly produce firearms, ammunition, and bulletproof protection through technology, discipline, and strict quality controls prepared under careful supervision. Machines shape components with flawless consistency, while human expertise ensures oversight and control. Each production area operates like a system within a system, connected yet carefully separated. Protective equipment manufacturing highlights the balance between strength and flexibility. Testing rooms confirm performance through controlled evaluation and data analysis. Once approved, products are secured, tracked, and prepared